Yes, it's about the topic of fractions, specifically adding fractions. I'll try to make it clear visually. You have, for example, 1.5 plus 1/3 to calculate. So you can't do that right away, but you know the rule. You have to bring both fractions to the same denominator first. Why is that the case now, and what is the visual connection? 1.5 plus 1/3 equals 2 and 3 at the bottom. 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 6 will be the same denominator. If I now expand a fraction at the bottom, I bring it to 6. So I multiply by the factor 3. That means multiply the top by 3 and the bottom by 3. Then I have 3 6 here. To get to 6, I have to multiply the bottom by 2 and then also the top. And then I have 2 6. And then I'm actually ready to add. How do we make it clear visually? 1.5 is half of a whole circle. Half of a whole circle would be, I'll take this half here. And if I now divide into sixths, I've already divided everything into sixths, then that would be, out of a total of 6 parts, which should all be the same size, that would be a total of 1, 2, 3 sixths. 3 sixths is equal to 1/2 of the cake, 1/3, 2 sixths. Again, I have 6 parts here, 1/3 or also 2 sixths. Now I'm taking 2 out of 6 parts, these 2 out of 6 parts, which also equals 1/3 in total. If you look at the whole thing here now, that's exactly 1/3. If I take this as 1 out of 3 parts, we have the other 2 parts out of 3 here. Now we've brought both to 6. We have 3 6 plus 2 6. Now you can hopefully see it as well. If I add 2 sixths to the 3 sixths, I could, for example, cut them out here and put them in here. Then I end up with a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sixths. And with that, I have the result that 1/2 plus 1/3 equals a total of 5 sixths. Yes, the multiplication as a connection with a visualization, I'll also put that in the playlist. Everything about fractions with corresponding exercises and the visualizer visualizations, you really shouldn't have any problem getting through the topic.